Welcome class first. Today we will start chapter 11 position words. So here we will see where do we use in, on, over and under. So firstly, what is position words? Let me tell you, the position words show the relation between two naming words. How? I will tell you example. Now look at these examples. The basket is on the table. Okay, this is on the table. The basket is under the table. This position is under the table. This is on the table. This one is under the table. The basket is in the box, inside. The fan is over the table. Over and on, there is a difference. If the thing is touching, then we will write on. But here the fan is not touching the table, so the fan is over the table. And here basket is touching the table, so basket is on the table. Now do exercise. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with on, under, in or over. My bag is touching the surface of table, so my bag is on the desk. His bag is, this position is under the desk. Her doll is in the box, inside. Now the birds are not touching the tree, so birds are over the tree. This one, the nest is on the tree. You people will also draw picture and write statement. The man is sleeping under the tree, under. The boy is sitting on the chair. The aeroplane is flying over the Red Fort, over. Okay. Now next exercise, do in book. The monkey is in the cage. An elephant and its calf are standing the tree, standing under the tree. Birds are flying over the tree. Children are sitting on the bench. The exercise which I have told to do in copy, I have done here. This you will do in copy, and whatever I am telling you in book, do in book. This one, the nest is on the tree. The bird are flying over the tree. The man is sleeping under the tree. The boy is sitting on the chair. Hi, I am walking on the road. Here, hi, I am sitting under the tree. Next, we are sitting in our new car. I am flying over the Red Fort. Do in book, and this we have done in copy also. Next exercise, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. It is situated the bank of river, on the bank of river Yamuna. It is one of the wonder of the world. Emperor Shah Jahan and his wife Mumtaz are buried in the big tomb of Taj. Now aeroplanes cannot fly over the Taj due to its security. After completing this work, now do exercise 6 in copy yourself. Okay, from help box fill in the blanks. Do sound practice. School, scan, scheme, sketch, scatter. Do sound practice and complete your work.